Hi there. If you struggle understanding how life insurance can protect you and your family, I am going to show you exactly how. If you're the main breadwinner in your family, or you have a stay-at-home spouse, or you have a less earning spouse, your family have an insurable interest on you. What that means is your family depends mostly on your income. Now allow me to tell you how life insurance will work to protect you and your family financially. Similar to your reason for buying an insurance on your cell phone, for buying an auto insurance, and nowadays we also buy insurance for almost everything, our gadgets, TVs, and other appliances. All these are meant to avoid unnecessary emergency expenses on repairs or losses. Although all these material things we insure are replaceable, our life cannot be replaced when we die. And when we die, we can no longer provide for our family and for anyone who depend on our income unless we have a life insurance in place. Insurance companies takes on our risk and ensures that our family will continue to be provided even when we can no longer do it. Most people think insurance is expensive. Wrong. Insurance companies spreads our risk within the community. I will explain this topic in detail on another video. But by doing that, it enables the insurance company to offer us a very small fraction of each dollar of risk that they cover for us. For example, you can buy one policy for as low as $20 today and have $1 million available to your family when they need it, starting tomorrow. And that's not only a huge deal, but also peace of mind that you'll have for as long as you have the life insurance policy in place. Let me give you scenarios when your insurance policy provides the benefits to you and your family. Have you seen families and friends doing a GoFundMe? Have you seen people doing car washes on the streets to raise funds? Have you seen people begging on the street? And have you seen those money jars by your favorite grocery cashiers asking for donation? Have you wondered why people need to resort to these ways just to raise funds, enough money to enable them to bury a loved one? You guessed it right. They were not prepared. Do you know that life insurance policy will not only cover all the final expenses of a deceased loved one, but will also replace the deceased person's income? Yes, that's the benefit of having a life insurance in place. Nobody knows when we are going to leave this earth, but when the time comes, we don't want to put our family in the situation where they need to do a GoFundMe, do car washes, beg relatives and other people. Having a life insurance policy in place removes your family in that equation. What happens to a person who is diagnosed with a debilitating illness? When we are diagnosed with a terminal illness, our world stops. We stop working to focus on healing and treatments. In short, our income stops, but bills doesn't. The new life insurance policies now allows the policyholders to get access to the death benefit when they are diagnosed with a qualifying critical, chronic, and or terminal illness. So the policyholder and the family can focus on healing and not stress out on bills and their daily expenses. People do not have to die to get the death benefit in most cases. For example, a policy owner of a $1 million life insurance policy who is diagnosed to be terminally ill may take up to 90%, that is $900,000, depending on the insurance company, from its 1 million death benefit. The policyholder may use the amount for any purpose, either to pay his bills, cover his medical and other expenses, or to cover for family's needs, or even use it to go on vacation, believe it or not. Now you know how life insurance benefits can help you and your family in the event that you prematurely die or when you get sick. Let's talk about the two main types of life insurance policies. A lot of people are wondering what these are. First type is the term insurance, and the second one is called a permanent insurance. Although both may provide the same benefits we have discussed earlier, they have differences in their characters and features, which I will save for another topic for another video. Because both term and permanent life policies addresses our insurable interests for our loved ones, they protect not only our lifetime savings, since the policy can cover for our final expenses, assures that our debts are taken care of, make sure our mortgage is paid for so our family will not be homeless, and ensures our family's future financial security. Make sure kids have means to pursue college education when the unexpected life event happened to us. Now that you know how life insurance can protect you and your family financially, I invite you to check out my other videos as I talk more on other topics about life insurance that you may also be interested in. If you learned one thing on this video, please click like, subscribe, and comment below, or visit my website to ask a question privately. Thank you.